Alright, this is Hia Friends and I protecting family, protecting packs. My lovely wife Amber.
Hi!
She's going to be cleaning our stove top with the stuff we got from Amazon.
The Wyman cooktop cleaning kit.
And we'll show you how it's going to be done.
So this is our stove.
You just cooked snake on it. Oh yeah.
Snake and hamburgers earlier before that. And so it's a little bit gross. It's not like super bad though.
And we originally got it because we need a razor blade. And it comes with a razor blade.
So I have
handle.
the Wyman. But it's a hot mess in here now. Oh, look for it. Never mind. I bought their little tub with the scrubber that comes with it, but I wasn't super impressed with just the powder scrub stuff. So Kian found this set
Because I'm amazing.
with a razor blade in it, which is so exciting. 'Cause we were using his box cutter blade and damaged our glass top.
You did?
You did actually.
I
Hi.
did?
Yeah. But
Because it was super sharp?
it's like cut. So instead of like going straight, we cut into it a little bit.
Oh, we did?
Yeah.
You did that. I only did the edges. I didn't do that. I didn't do that
I don't
part.
know, babe.
I didn't do that part.
Alright,
I
well-
only did the edges.
Okay. We'll,
Whatever.
we'll let that go.
Oh, what happened? Baby down.
We got a baby down.
Baby
Look
down.
out.
Baby down. Baby down.
Baby down.
Oh, he's okay. He's okay. I'll hold him.
All right.
Hold on a second.
So-
Let me come down here. Oh, okay. There you go, buddy. Okay, I'm back. We're back. We're back in business.
Shake well and test. Scrub cooktop with the scrubbing tool and pad. After cleaning, use a soft cloth or paper towel to remove any residue. Use the cooktop scraper in severe cases. So, what I usually do is I get this amazing stuff called LA's Totally Awesome. It's a degreaser. It works pretty well, actually. And where are my paper towels?
Oh, it's on the table over there next to the water.
Okay. We have obviously prepared ourselves greatly for this video.
It's what they call those live
Impromptu?
impromptu. Yes, impromptu.
Okay. And I just spray it, let it soak for a little bit, and then wipe it down. Which is fairly easy. You can see all the lovely disgustingness that is there. So, I'm not a super huge fan of glass cooktops. I prefer to have gas, which I think most cooks do. But
If you
is
live
what
in
we have.
Texas,
we're not complaining. We're using it to cook our food, and it's, working. But
because electricity is so cheap here.
because the thing that happens though is stuff spills or blows over or whatever, and you get this right here. And if you were here to touch it, you could feel it. It's like gross, and it just builds up, and it will not come off with regular just scrubbing. So what you're supposed to do is use this cleaner stuff, which is like what's in here. But this will not get that junk off, which I have discovered. So, in comes the razor. And I think this looks like it has a cover. Yeah, it's backwards. They have shipped it backwards for safety reasons, no doubt. So I'm going to loosen that. And then hopefully not cut myself. Ugh. Special.
See the cut reaction.
Ah. Alright, I'm going to tighten it back up.
Ooh, it's coming off. It's like shaving legs.
No, that's not. Yuck. So, I don't know. I feel like a coil stove you can clean easier than a glass, but I don't know. I guess there's the appeal of having the extra counter space when you're not cooking. Right? I guess that's the whole reason glass cooktops are invented.
I thought it was because there's not any natural gas out here, or maybe there
No,
is.
but I mean like versus a coil electric stove. Like why go for a glass? I think it's because
I think it's because of a necessity thing.
well, I think it looks nice when it's clean, but then also like it's flat, so you can use it as counter space if you're not recently cooking.
Okay, well, you know, like Juan Boborio is because they had a propane tank that they.
Yeah, but you could use a coil electric stove. You don't have to get a glass cooktop for that.
Oh, I didn't know what a coil.
Do you remember our first apartment, babe?
Aren't these all already that coil? Oh, okay. You like that coil better? Well, those are like inch. Aren't these already coils, but they're like built into glass kind of thing?
Kinda, yeah. That's kind of
The idea.
Yeah. But the thing that people like about glass cook is that it's completely flat. Do you understand?
Okay.
Versus the coils that are raised and it's all uneven.
Okay, I get it now.
Okay.
I'm on page now. So this razor blade handy with this handle.
Well, it works better than your box cutter blade for sure. I don't have to worry about scratching anything. I don't have to worry about cutting my finger as much.
And more leverage.
Yes, and it doesn't hurt my fingers to hold it.
Oh,
Sharp,
look, it's so shiny already from
sharp
this
edge
video.
digging into me. All right, so there's that. And then we're supposed to shake, shake, shake.
Do a little dance.
I'm not gonna say the rest of that song publicly.
Oh, I don't even know what the other part. Oh, right. Okay.
I need here. Haha. Look at that. Taken
Oh.
outside the box.
Using your tools, honey. Your tools. Do we still have strawberries?
No, sir.
We ate them all?
Your ravenous children ate them.
Okay.
Ate them all. Strawberries are good. They're on sale too. Which is wonderful. Okay, so you just kind of a little bit of that. And this lovely thing.
Comes
which
with a
looks
scrubber.
Like it should have a handle.
Maybe you're
Maybe
supposed
this
to.
goes inside.
Oh, yeah. Maybe it does. Maybe it does.
I don't know.
Maybe you have to wax
Try
on
a
and
little
wax off.
something crazy. I don't think it hurt. Nope. Nope. Oh look. Haha. Ha ha
Aha.
ha. Und handle.
She read the instructions or looked at the picture. Okay.
Okay. And then you can like scrub.
To your heart's content. Maybe you'll sand out the scratches.
Yeah. That's okay though. You just don't want to like get more of those because then
We want to sell into yours.
it will be compromised. Okay, I like this handle. It's way better than the other one. Well, it's just like the spongy thing.
Oh, honey, you're supposed to wax on and then wax off. That's not wax on, wax off.
I'm not waxing on or waxing off.
You're just like doing waxy crazy.
That's what you're supposed
Crazy
to do.
wax.
You buff it with this thing, and then you go and wipe off the residue with paper towel after it's dry.
Okay, so we're done? We're good?
Well, I guess let's let it dry and
Alright, I think I'm gonna go do a wine run.
a wine run.
Yes.
Well, it feels cleanish.
Oh, wow, look, it's like very polished.
That's why it's called polish. But it's still kind of could be better. Yeah, see, look at getting more off. Gotta do it in layers. I don't know if you can see that, but
Oh,
See the gunk?
Look at that.
The gunk. I don't like the gunk. Anybody who knows me and loves me dearly will know I don't really like gunk.
That's the no gunk face.
Evil gunk.
Yeah, no to gunk.
It's the reason why I have a rainbow vacuum. Okay. I don't know, I feel like work on my angle, I guess. See, look at that. Wonderful.
Wonderful.
It's working! It's working! Ooh, look at that gunk.
Like it's brand new. Oh, I just realized I can't have boba anymore.
Not my fault you're diabetic. You can have boba. You just really don't want it in like a big fruity drink. I'll make you boba in a regular iced tea. How about that?
You know what I need? I just need to drink more kombucha. That year I drank kombucha, that got my numbers down.
Did it?
Yep.
Are you sure it was the kombucha and not the jogging?
I was actually surprised how much it came down. I thought it was gonna be high with all that sugar in there, but.
Well, but there's no sugar in the kombucha because
I know, but I do use sugar to make it.
But that's
But
the point of
sometimes,
fermentation.
but sometimes
my
it still
love.
tastes sweet. I'm like, well.
What's going on, Eli?
Oh, wow.
He's just chilling. He's like, pick me up. He says, I've achieved my goal of reaching mom. Now I have to whine that she picks me up. Huh, buddy? Huh?
All right. So overall review.
Overall, it's...
Would you recommend it to others?
I don't know if I would recommend it just for this, but I do like this.
Okay. I mean, would you recommend the kit?
Yeah.
'Cause
I
that's
would recommend starting with the
Because
kit.
that's what they're gonna get.
Yeah, I would recommend starting with the kit.
All right. Where would they get this?
Amazon, check the link
In the what? This
in the what?
description.
In the what
In
now?
the description below.
Oh, in the description below.
And
Sorry,
click
I'm new to this, guys.
subscribe.
Click subscribe. Oh yeah, subscribe because we do a lot of fun little random
Yes.
things.
And if you like to see how she waxes on,
We need
wax
to
off.
find a link for applesauce pouches because our children love them.
Okay. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Bye.